I am so excited because I ordered this RC car for my grandson and I cannot wait to see how it works. It looks so awesome. So I am going to show you this. Oh, very cool. Awesome. Very, very neat. This is really cool. It is shipped beautifully. I should let him open this, but I gotta make sure it works first and check it out. Yes! Oh my goodness. Super cool. Check this out. This is the RC Drift. Look at how pretty that is. RC Drift, 2.4 gigahertz metal series. Whoop whoop. Good for any child or grown child. See, my husband will probably really enjoy this as well. So this is super cool. I am excited. It's got a rechargeable battery and a charger is included. So oh yeah, I'm gonna have to charge this guy up probably before my grandson can play with it. But this is really neat. It is suitable for any children over the age of 3. And it says 6+, so my grandson is 6, so this is going to be perfect. Oh my gosh. I think that's a little remote control thingy. Look at this. Bigfoot. Monster truck. Cute. Fast racing. Big block. Very neat. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, okay, there's more. There's more. I think this is the charger. Maybe, yeah. Oh, cool. Look, it comes with the rechargeable battery packs. So it goes straight in there and it comes with a little screwdriver and these little screws so that I can fix this and open this to put the batteries in there. So I'm gonna do that really quick and show you. So, yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. How cute. Coolness. There we go. And this opens just like that. So that opens nice and easy. And I can add batteries in there. And it's got this charging pack here as well. So the batteries just plug right into this thing. And I'm not sure where, or oh, maybe these go in here. Yes, they go in here. So it looks like I need 3 AAA batteries in there. So those go in there. And then we've got this case as well. This box is so nice. It's really super high quality. Just the box itself is really nice quality that it comes in. Okay, so it comes here. So I have to open this here. Oh, that's cool. And there's a little on and off switch down here, right here. This is on and off switch there. So let me just open this guy up. He opens just like that. So that opens just like that. And here we go. Now we're talking battery packs. So looks like there's 2 battery packs, but it looks like it only needs to put 1 at a time. So you can have 1 battery pack in there and while the other one is charging. So you can recharge it. So that's really cool. So it goes like that. Just let me see if I can show you how it plugs in here. So it's just got this little piece here and this little guy here, and it just plugs directly in like that. So make sure I'm putting this in the correct way. Actually, turn it around, just like that. And it just snaps in, super easy, just like that. There we go. And then it fits in there. Fit it in a little bit nicer here. There we go. Coolness. So there it is. Cool. And then you're just gonna plug this guy in here. So it goes like that. And this snaps right back in. And then you put the little screw, I don't know if you can see that guy, right back in here. And he's ready to go. And it comes with some extra screws at the top in case you lose any screws inside of here. There's just all kinds of fun stuff going on here. Wow, this is so cool. These wheels are really nice. This is just the coolest toy ever. My grandson is going to flip on this thing. I am so excited about this. Yay! So I just wanted to show you one more really cool feature of this car because it is really cool. It has high strength suspension, and this is the remote, and it's long range on it, but I need to put some batteries in there, but really cool. It's got a long range, and it's got this little trigger guy here. So you've got the remote and all of the controls here. Very fun, okay? But this is what I wanted to show you. So this is the charger. So it's just a USB, fits right in your wall, and it will charge these batteries. So you can literally have one charging up while the other one is in use. And you've got long-term usage with these batteries. And so everything's included, everything that you need. This is super cool. This is the Crawler RC car, and it's by Rockaway's Toys, and it's so cute. Isn't that adorable? Check this out. How much fun is this going to be? I am so excited. These wheels are so cute. This is so cute.